Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi A5 Sportback Sport 35 TFSI with the S-tronic gearbox. Now, this particular vehicle is finished in the Manhattan grey paintwork, which really give this vehicle that standout road appearance. With it being a part of the Audi approved range, it does mean it comes with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Moving on now, looking at the key features, with this being a sports model, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional sporty styling such as the front bumper design, rear diffuser and side profile with those lovely body matched side skirts. Moving to the front of the vehicle now, we do find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we find these exceptional 18-inch 8.55 twin spoke design aluminium alloys, which really complement that lovely grey paintwork. Now moving into the rear boot space of the A5 Sportback, where we find up to 480 litres of storage capacity. It's a large amount for a vehicle of this size. This can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases as well as a few additional shopping bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we do find a full leather interior with the additional black rock stitching to complement. As well as this, there is a leather centre armrest which is fold down for added comfort, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row of the vehicle, making it much easier to be used in family usage. Moving into the front now, we do find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush material such as leather, dynamica and aluminium. With this being the sports model, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional sporty styling such as these full leather seats with the sports finish, as well as the black stitching to complement. Above now, we do find a virtual cockpit in which is featured with 2 digital rev counters, and you can also access your satellite navigation, telephone connectivity and radio stations through this screen. Moving towards the centre of the dashboard now, we do find this fantastic MMI touchscreen display, which is also featured the satellite navigation and allows access to your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now, we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities located either side of this for both front occupants. To the screen above once again now, we find a reversing camera, which does make this vehicle much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video of the approved use Audi A5 Sportback Sport, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please do contact our sales team.